Hello everyone, I am Ajay Kumar M, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss the particular topic. Now we can consider in terms of the module 4. Now the topic especially in the subject code 18 Mat 31, now numerical solutions of solution of ordinary differential equations here. Okay, now here we consider the ordinary differential equations. Okay, now in the first order along with the first degree differential equations here. Okay, we can solve the ordinary differential equation using the various methods here. Okay, before going to the topic, one of the important observation in such a way that the applications of ordinary differential equations here. Okay, now suppose we consider the ordinary differential equations here. dy by dx f of x comma y with initial condition y of x naught is equal to the y naught. Okay, here now is a ordinary differential equation. Okay, already all of you familiar with the in the first semester topic the ordinary differential equation, how to solve for the homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous equation with the various methods here. Okay, here we discuss the numerical solutions of ordinary differential equation here. Okay, we are already familiar with the analytical solutions of ordinary differential equation. Okay, here the important observation in such a way that here we can consider the numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Okay, now that will be the important observations here. Okay, now the applications of the ordinary differential equations here. Okay, the number of applications, especially now we can consider in terms of computational fluid dynamics. Okay, now in the computational fluid dynamics, now the higher order partial differential equations available. Now we can convert in terms of ordinary differential equations. Later by using various methods, now we can solve the the higher order differential equations here. Okay, in the field of physics, in the field of the biology, okay, now in the economics, and also now for the corresponding electrical circuits. Okay, number of many more applications now using the numerical solutions of ordinary differential equation, we can solve some particular examples here. Okay, now that will be the important observation. We can solve by using Taylor series method, first one. Now the next one, modified Euler's method. Next one, Runge-Kutta method. Fourth one, Milne's method. Fifth, Adam-Bash fourth method. Okay, in the syllabus using the 5 various methods, now we can solve first order and first degree ordinary differential equations here. Okay, Taylor series method. Okay, already in the first semester Taylor series expansion, now using the Taylor series expansion, now we can solve with the help of analytical procedure the number of examples. Already all of you know that. Here we can discuss, okay, in the Taylor series method with the help of the numerical method. Okay, the important observation here, ordinary differential equation in terms of first order along with the first degree, that will be the important thing here. Here we not consider higher order, especially in the module 4, only the first order and first degree differential equation, that will be the important thing here. Okay, here next Euler's method, Runge-Kutta method, Milne's method and Adam-Bash fourth method, all the various methods using the multi-step examples here. Okay, we can estimate the solution. Okay, we can find out the y value at the particular the point of x here by using multi-step the expansion concept here. Okay, now that will be the important thing here. Okay, next to discuss the example on the Taylor series method along with the explanations. Okay, here now the solution of the ordinary differential equation by using the Taylor series method here. Okay, now the first we consider dy by dx is equal to the f of x comma y. Okay, ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree here. Okay, with the initial condition y of x naught is equal to the y naught here. Okay, now already we familiar with the concept of Taylor series expansion in the analytical procedure in the first semester examples here. Okay, how to solve the some particular the function in terms of with the help of the Taylor series of expansions here. Okay, here important observation here with the differential equation, how to solve the some particular differential equation, especially in the first order and first degree of the form, using numerical concept by using Taylor series of expansion. That will be the important observation here. Okay, here now with the help of the power series expansion of the some x minus x naught expansion, now we can find out the a representation of Taylor series of expansions here. Okay, here as using Taylor series expansion in such a way that y is equal to the, otherwise y of x is equal to the y of x naught plus x minus x naught denominator 1 factorial y dash of x naught plus, okay, x minus x naught whole square denominator 2 factorial y double dash of x naught, next plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole power 4 denominator 4 factorial y fourth of x naught plus etc. Okay, now what about here? Here with the help of power series expansion of x minus x naught. Okay, now you just check in the particular RHS expansion here. Okay, the power series expansion of x minus x naught whole power 1, whole power 2, whole power 3, whole power 4. Okay, with the help of the power series of expansion, now we can find the solution of the equations here. Okay, we can find out the y value at the particular x point. Okay, that will be the important thing here. Okay, here y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught, y triple dash of x naught, y fourth of x naught or the derivative of the corresponding function here. Okay, we can consider in such a way that will be the derivative of the corresponding function. Now we can specify it. Okay, that will be the important thing here. Okay, now what about here is, now the once again, especially using the numerical concept, we can find the solution of the ordinary differential equation is in the form of with the help of Taylor series of expansion. That will be the important observations here. Okay, next to discuss the some examples on the Taylor series of expansions here. The first example now we can consider in terms of here. Okay, using the Taylor series method. Use Taylor series method to find y of 1.1 and y of 1.2 considering up to fourth order term of y of x which satisfies the equation dy by dx is equal to the x plus y. Okay, with the initial conditions are given, y of 1 is equal to the 0 here. Now we can specify in terms of. Okay, here, now what about here is given dy by dx x plus y. Assign the function f of x comma y. Okay, here given dy by dx it's equal to the x plus y, it's equal to the f of x comma y. Initial condition. Okay, initial condition now we can consider in the particular form y of 1 is equal to the 0. In general, y of x naught is equal to the y naught. Compare here x naught value 1, y naught value 0. First we can represent the given data in terms of the function along with the initial conditions here. Okay, next we can consider in terms of, okay, right, short form dy by dx we can assign y dash is equal to the x plus y, right. Okay, next we can denote in terms of the particularly, okay, first we have to find y dash of x naught. Initialize, okay, is nothing but x naught plus y naught. Okay, now what about here, x naught value substitute along with the y naught here. Now we can represent in terms of x naught value 1 plus 0. Now we can consider in terms of 1. Now we can represent in terms of. Next, y double dash. One time differentiate, already the available y dash, one time differentiate here. Okay, now what about here, differentiation of x here 1 plus differentiation of y dash means, y means here y dash. Next we can specify in terms of, okay, right, y double dash of x naught. Okay, y double dash of x naught here, now we can specify in terms of 1 available, right, okay, plus y dash. Okay, now we can specify in terms of y dash of x naught we can denote. Okay, now is nothing but 1 plus 1 is equal to the 2 here. Now we can denote here. Okay, now the next observation. Right. Okay, next one we have to find out y triple dash. One more time differentiate here. Okay, now differentiation of 1 here 0 plus differentiation of y dash means here already y dash available. One more time differentiation means here y double dash, right. Now the next one we can specify in terms of y triple dash of x naught. Okay, y triple dash of x naught here is, okay, y double dash. Okay, the previous value now we can consider in terms of s. Okay, now we can assign y double dash of x naught. Initializing is nothing but previous data. Now we can specify in terms of the 2 here. Likewise, now up to the, okay, in the question here considering up to the 4th order term here. Okay, now we can consider in terms of 4th order. Okay, y fourth is nothing but already y double dash available. One more time differentiation y triple dash here. Okay, we can represent in terms of it. Next one is nothing but, now we can specify y fourth of x naught is equal to the, okay, y triple dash. Okay, the previous data available 2 here. Now we can represent in terms of the 2 form here. Okay, next we have Taylor's series expansion. We have the Taylor series expansion here. Okay, now what about here is, now we can specify in terms of y is equal to the y of x, right, y of x naught plus x minus x naught denominator 1 factorial y dash of x naught plus, okay, now we can represent in terms of x minus x naught whole square denominator 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube denominator 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught, okay, plus x minus x naught whole power 4 denominator 4 factorial y fourth of x naught plus etc. Now we can specify here. Okay, here now the question here, the important, we have to find the y of 1.1. Here to find y of 1.1. Okay, now what about here s? Take x is equal to the 1.1. Okay, x is equal to the 1.1 means here, okay, y is equal to the y of 1.1, the particular point is nothing but y of x naught. Y of x naught means here now is nothing but y naught value. Now we can consider in terms of 0 plus x means here is 1.1 minus x naught value 1, right? Denominator 1 factorial 1, y dash of x naught, okay, already available y dash of x naught here 1 plus 1.1 minus 1 whole square denominator 2 factorial 2 into the s. Now we can specify in terms of, now what about the y double dash of the x naught means here 2, right, plus, okay, next one now we can consider in terms of 1.1 minus 1 whole cube denominator s 3 factorial 6. Now y triple dash value here 2 plus 1.1 minus 1 whole power 4 denominator 4 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial means here s 24. Now into y fourth of x naught. Okay, y fourth order x naught means here s. Now we can consider 2 here. Okay, using calculator now we can find out y of 1.1 is equal to the, now we can specify in terms of 0.1104 here. Okay, now we can find out the answer using calculator. Now we can simplify, now we get the answer here. Okay, we can estimate y at the particular point of 1.1. Okay, now we can obtain 0.1104 here. Okay, next the another one question. Okay, y of 1.2. Okay, 1.2 means here now we can take in terms of, in the place of 1.1 you just replace 1.2, the rest of the remaining expansion same. Okay, in the place of 1.1 replace. Okay, using calculator now we can find out the corresponding here 0.2480. Okay, now the second one here. Okay, is it clear? Now the important observation in such a way that using the concept of the Taylor series expansion with the help of the numerical concept, now we can find the solution of the particular function, especially the first order and first degree ordinary differential equation along with the initial conditions available. Okay, that will be the important observations here. Okay, now the next example here. Now the second example, given dy by dx is equal to the 2y plus 3 into the e power x along with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to the 0. Find y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. Consider up to 4th order term by Taylor series method here. Okay, now answer. Given dy by dx 2y plus 3 e power x, and also given the initial condition here s. Now in general now we can assign y of x naught is equal to the y naught, x naught value here 0, y naught value here 0. Okay, right, first we can specify in terms of y dash is equal to the 2y plus 3 into the e power x. Okay, now assign the initial condition y dash of x naught. Okay, y dash of x naught means here now we can specify 2 y naught plus 3 into the e power x naught is nothing but, okay, now we can denote in terms of the 2 into y naught here 0 plus 3 into the e power 0. Now we can obtain with the answer 3. Right. Okay, next y double dash. Okay, one time differentiate. Okay, we have already the y dash 2y plus 3 e power x. Okay, the 2, the corresponding the 2 here as y changes y dash plus 3 into the e power x. Now we can specify it. Now substitute for the initial data values here. Now y double dash of x naught. Okay, y double dash of x naught means here, okay, 2 constant, right, into y dash value, the previously available here 3 plus 3 into the e power x changes x naught here, okay, the 0 here, e power 0 means here, now we can specify in terms of 1. Okay, now we can denote in terms of the particularly the expansion, the answer 9 here. Okay, next the y triple dash here. Okay, now the next one we can specify in terms of y triple dash, right. Okay, 2 constant, already the previous y double dash here, the 2 into the y dash available, y double dash plus 3 into the once again e power x differentiation, e power x here, right. Now next one, substitution of the corresponding here, y double dash of triple dash of x naught here, 2 into the y double dash. Okay, y double dash means here the previously the data available here 9, okay, into 9 plus 3 into the e power 0 means here 1 s. Okay, we can represent in terms of the after the simplification the 21 here. Now we can represent in terms of. Next, y fourth. Okay, y fourth here. Okay, we have the y triple dash 2 into the y double dash plus 3 e power x. Now once again differentiate 2 constant, right. Y double dash changes y triple dash plus 3 into the e power x. Now we can denote in terms of here. Okay, now what about the next one? S y fourth of x naught, 2 available constant, right. Y triple dash, okay, y triple dash means here previous data available 21. Okay, now we can specify in terms of plus 3 into the s e power 0 means here 1 s. After the simplification, now we can specify in terms of the corresponding 42 plus 3 here 45. Now we can represent in terms of here. Okay, now here in the question consider up to the 4th order term. We consider up to the 4th order term. We have Taylor series of expansion, right. Okay, now what about your s? Y is equal to the y of x, right, y of x naught plus x minus x naught by 1 factorial into y dash of x naught plus next one x minus x naught whole square denominator 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus next x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught here. Okay, now another one term, the 4th order. Okay, here x minus x naught whole power 4 denominator 4 factorial y fourth of x naught here. Okay, next observation. Now we can specify in terms of the next considering here. Now we can denote in terms of here. Here up to the 4th order, that's why here now we can consider in terms of up to the 4th order, higher order terms excluded. Okay, now next one, to find y of 0.1, take x is equal to the 0.1, substitute. Okay, y is equal to the y of 0.1, right. Okay, y of x naught means here is nothing but y naught 0 plus x value 0.1, x naught value 0, okay, right, denominator 1, y dash value here now 3 plus 0.1 minus 0 whole square denominator 2, right, into y double dash value 9 plus 0.1 minus 0 whole cube denominator s 6 into y triple dash value. Okay, y triple dash value means here 21. Okay, next one plus 0.1 minus 0 whole power 4 denominator 24 into y fourth answer. Okay, y fourth answer means here now what about here, now we can specify in terms of 45, right. Y of 0.1, okay, using calculator now you can simplify. Now we get the answer y of 0.1 0.3486 here. Okay, likewise, now in place of x here, now replace 0.2 here. Now we get y of 0.2 is equal to the next one 0.8110 here. Okay, here one of the important observation in such a way that we can estimate the corresponding the y value at the particular point of y of 0.1, y of 0.2 for the first order and first degree ordinary differential equation using Taylor series of expansion. Okay, now that will be the important observations here. Okay, next example. Given y dash is equal to the x square plus y with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to the 10, find y of 0.1 and y of 0.2 here. Using Taylor series method, consider up to the fourth order term here. Okay, right. Given y dash, otherwise we can dy by dx we can consider in terms of, right, x square plus y, assign the function f of x comma y. And also the initial data given x naught 0, y naught 10. Okay, x naught 0 because here generally compare y of x naught is equal to the y naught, x naught value 0, y naught value 10 here. Okay, next one s, now we can specify in terms of y dash x square plus y, assign the initial data y dash of x naught is nothing but x naught square plus y naught. Okay, x naught value 0 here, that's why here, now y naught here 10, now we can denote 10. Next, y double dash value. Okay, differentiate 2x plus y dash. Okay, initial data substitute y dash of x naught. Okay, now the corresponding here y double dash of x naught here. Okay, write 2 into the x naught plus y dash of x naught. Okay, substitute the data here. Okay, 2 into the x naught value 0, that's why 0 plus y dash value 10. Okay, answer 10. Next, the considering here. Okay, now the next one, now we can specify in terms of, right, y triple dash. Okay, here one time differentiate. Okay, the 2x here, the 2. Next, y dash changes y double dash. Okay, right, y triple dash of x naught. Okay, y triple dash of x naught means here, now we can consider in terms of 2 plus y double dash. Okay, the previous data 10 available. Okay, 12. Y fourth. Okay, differentiation of 2 means here 0. Y triple dash, now we can assign y fourth of x naught. Okay, here 12. Previous result y triple dash, now we can specify. Okay, using Taylor series expansion. Okay, using Taylor series expansion means here, now what about here is y is equal to the y of x naught plus x minus x naught, denominator 1 factorial into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square, denominator 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught here plus x minus x naught whole power 4, denominator 4 factorial into y fourth of x naught. Now to find, okay, write y of 0.1 as take x is equal to the 0.1. Okay, x value 0.1 means here, now what about here, y is equal to the y of 0.1. Now in place of x here, replace 0.1, y of x naught here as y naught 10 plus 0.1, x naught value 0, that's why here 0.1 0, denominator 1 into the y dash value 10 plus 0.1 minus 0 whole square, denominator 2 factorial 2. Okay, next we consider in terms of y double dash 10 here plus 0.1 minus 0 whole cube, denominator 3 factorial 6 y triple dash 12 here. Right, the next one 0.1 minus 0 whole power 4, denominator 4 factorial 24 into, now the next we can specify in terms of, right, y fourth as 12 here. Okay, using calculator now we can simplify y of 0.1 is equal to the, right, okay, the answer 11.0523 now we can represent. Likewise, another one value y of 0.2. Okay, in place of x 0.2 replace, rest of the remaining the same expansion. Using calculator now you can find out the answer. Now we can consider in terms of 12.2168 we can obtain. Okay, is it clear? Okay, one of the important observation in such a way that we can estimate the y value at the particular points of here 0.1, 0.2, now the corresponding y value here. Okay, with the help of the Taylor series of expansions here. Okay, now that will be the important thing. Thank you for watching the video.